Okay, this is a test with only audio, no video. My phone is in front of a speaker. Let's get some ideas what this sounds like. My speakers are turned up really loud, but when they're quiet, I can still hear it. It's a big nuisance. So, listen carefully. This is me moving the mouse. Every beep you hear is almost me changing directions with the mouse. This is me doing a circle with the mouse. Up and down in a line. Left and right. Now this is me loading a page.
Make you physical.
This is with a YouTube video loading in the background, but the volume down makes the sound. Moving the mouse again. It's very, very annoying. Let me know what you guys think.